Hey Couch Potatoes, it's me Alex with CouchDotCom, and today we are going to talk about cleaning your couch. It's very important and it's very much essential. There's a lot of mystery and allure when it comes to cleaning one's couch. Everybody sort of thinks that there's some great mystery to it, but it's really not that difficult. There are, however, 4 fundamental ways to clean your couch. Spot cleaning. Spot cleaning is as it sort of sounds like. It's cleaning a spot on your sofa versus the whole thing is the subtext. So to spot clean, there are various methods, and we have a few articles about that here on CouchDotCom. But essentially, it's diagnosing the issue based on what you spilled on it and what cleaning products you have available, and trying things in a methodical and slow manner. The keys to spot cleaning are: test first, because you want to make sure that what you're using on your couch is not going to damage it in the long term. Test it out, then let it rip. Number 2, machine washing. Now this is not a method that's always recommended. Washing parts of your couch in the washing machine is sometimes very useful, but often not recommended, and certainly not recommended by the retailers that sold it to you. They don't really want to have the problems of you saying, you told me to do this and it didn't work out the right way. But the fact is, it usually does work out the right way if you do it correctly. The hard and fast #1 cardinal rule of washing things in the washing machine that have to do with your couch is don't put them in the dryer, ever. There's really no good reason to ever do that. It will shrink, it will warp, it will discolor. Using the washing machine to do what it was meant to do, which is wash things, is a perfectly reasonable way to give something a very deep cleaning. When putting parts of your couch in the washing machine, there are 2 main things to consider: what type of detergent you're using and what wash temperature of water you're using as well. For detergents, you want to go with something mild, like that stuff they sell in Whole Foods, you know, the stuff that doesn't smell like anything. When it comes to using your washing machine, you want to go for a cold wash cycle. Sometimes there may be a reason to use warm or hot if it's something, a really deep stain or something that you know is not going to come out using cold water, but you'd be surprised at what these washing machines can do on the cold wash setting. Number 3, dry cleaning. Now, dry cleaning is a very underutilized method of cleaning something when it comes to your couches. Why is that? Well, if you think about it, how are you going to get your couch to the dry cleaners? And it's a good point, because you can't. What you want to do is really consider, is this a piece that I can take to a dry cleaner? Will a dry cleaner accept a small throw pillow? Yes. Will they accept a seat cushion or a back cushion? Maybe. Will they accept an entire arm panel? No, they will not. So there are only certain things you can take to dry cleaners. If you have removable cushion covers, however, you're golden. Why not give it a shot? Certainly it may cost a little bit more money, but if you're worried about it being something that you're not going to get out of your couch, why not spend the extra money and just take it to the dry cleaner, see what they can do. You can also have them give it a free assessment when you bring it up to the counter. They're going to look at it, maybe confer with their dry cleaning associates and see if that's something they can do for you. Now, dry cleaning is a great way to clean something without using a water-based solvent. That's why most people bring things to the dry cleaner. But they're also really good at taking out stains. If you have a bad stain on your shirt, you bring it to the dry cleaners. So why wouldn't you do the same with your couch? Don't sleep on the dry cleaning option. It's always worth a shot, assuming you can get something to the dry cleaner without taking a moving truck to get there. The last method of cleaning that you should consider is steam cleaning. Now this can be done in 2 ways. 1, you can hire a professional, always a preferred method of course, but it can be more costly. And 2, renting or buying a steam cleaning device to do it yourself. Generally those have less power, and when it comes to steam cleaning, the more steaming power, the better. So I've had professional steam cleaners come and steam clean sofas for businesses that I've used to run, and it's an incredibly effective method, especially if you have multiple things for a steam cleaner to do in one setting. The steam cleaners who come to clean your sofas are generally the same ones that come and clean your carpets. So let's say you got a few stains over here, a few stains over there, make a package deal. These people are business people, they're usually local business people, and the price is generally a little bit malleable if you make them an offer they can't refuse. Either way, even though it may cost around $100 or $125 just to get them to come to your house, if it's a really bad stain or if your couch needs a full deep cleaning or there are a lot of little stains that might need to be addressed, steam cleaning can be a great option for you.